ringtones to this beta. So first we're going to go into settings, then sound and haptics. Then we're going to go down to ringtone. So most of the new additions are under this new reflection category. That used to be the default, and then Apple in previous betas had added reflected. But now there are 5 additional ones, so let's walk through them really quick. Here is buoyant. Here is pond. Here is pop. Here is the reflected one. Here is surge. And my favorite, dreamer. In addition to all of those, Apple has also added a new one called Little Bird.